What's up, everybody? So as y'all can see, it's a nasty rainy day, and I was sitting at the house. I was like, you know what, I think me and old Red Dog are gonna go out here, see if we can kill some birds. You never know, birds might fly. What's up, Red Dog? You want to say hey to everybody? Say hey, guys. You excited? Let's get Mr. Red Dog out here, get his collar on him. Come here, boy. Come here, heel. Heel, sit. He's a happy boy. Sit, come here, heel, sit. He knows when it's time to go hunting. All right, get him loaded up here. Okay, go pee. And he is off to the races. He gone. So, nasty rainy day, but you know what, I don't want to sit at the house. Courtney has got the boys and they're gone, so we're gonna go see if we can shoot some doves. Come on, Rudd. You guys stay tuned. Well, we got a little blue sky there. Heck yeah, we might get lucky, or the bottom might fall out of us. See, we got a ocean of pumpkins over here. Definitely fall here in the North Carolina mountains. My favorite time of the year. So maybe we'll get lucky and be able to shoot some doves as this weather holds out. I don't know. Cross your fingers, this could be ugly. Alright guys, got everything, got Red Dog unloaded. Let's see here, let's grab our dove stool. Let's grab the old brown on. All right. And we're ready to go. Plenty of birds on the power line there. We'll see what we can get into. Got a ton of birds on the power line. Looks like we hit that weather just right. See if we can make it happen this afternoon. Hope so. Got old Red Dog, make it happen here. So this field right here, I left it standing in wheat, and as the grass started to grow up through, we couldn't combine it anymore. So I went through and bush hogged it in strips. We had a pretty good shoot Saturday, but they're piling in here now, boy. All right, we got set up, got Red Dog. All the birds are up on the power line. Should be pretty good shoot here this evening, so we'll see what happens. Bunch of birds coming right in here. Let's see what they do. We'll spook them. Bunch of birds here. Take that one. Rudd. Good boy, Rudd. Rudd. All right, everybody, the Lone Ranger showed up. Yeah, that's right. Hey. Uncle Barry, hey, everybody. Good stuff, good stuff. Renault. Right there. Shit. Rud. Dead bird, dead bird. Find him, find him, find him. Birds are flying pretty good. My Red Dog's got him some water. Red's doing pretty good. There's a bunch of moisture on the ground, so he's able to find the birds pretty good. So let's get back at it. Red's on the prowl. Red found him. Hey! Alright, so weather head off pretty good. Got an old Red Dog down there. Birds are flying pretty good. Looks like that storm cloud is going to skirt around us, I hope. Everybody's getting to do some shooting. So, still knocking a few birds down. Life is good right now. He's going down. His check engine light's on. Lighting those trees. Take that. Gracious. Double, baby. Here, give. Why'd you let me kill that bird? Well, in the words of Porky Pig, that's all, folks. Pretty good hunt. Ended up with a limit and a half. Not a bad day's worth of shooting. Rain held out. We got pretty lucky, as you can see. Beautiful day in the mountains. Red Dog approved. Well, not bad for a day's worth, especially for a rainy day. Got a limit of birds right there. Pretty good day in the mountains, boys. Pretty good.